Cursor is one of the leading AI editors in 2026. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download Cursor, walk you through setting up the CLI, and then give you a quick preview of what it's like to run Cursor from the web, which will allow you to edit and work with your agents anywhere in the world. So let's dive in. What you see here is the cursor.com website. You can jump in here and see the latest release notes. But right now, what we want to do is click the download button. Once you download the image, you'll be prompted to add it to your file system, and voila, first part's done. Now let's open up Cursor. Cool. So from here, you're presented with the Cursor window, which is the agent view of Cursor. You can see all of your apps running, things like that, but a fresh window is going to look something like this. If you're familiar with the VS Code IDE, you might have seen something like this. This is still available. You can always swap between it on the top right corner here, but the agent view opens as default now. So now that you have Cursor downloaded and installed, you can start playing with your agents. You can open up this right side panel, and this is where you can still experience some of the IDE features. You can see your entire folder structure, you can integrate with any of your Get, and you can even browse the web. But we want to navigate to the terminal section, and we'll pull the curl command from the download page. This is going to install our agent CLI. Much like Cloud CLI, Grok CLI, and all the others, you'll run the agent command here. Cool. You ran agent command in Cursor and you see Grok. Like, what is going on? Well, if you haven't heard, SpaceX has bought Cursor. So this means Grok is using component 2.5, and we're starting to see the two companies meld into one. But I can assure you this is still Cursor. If you go to /models, you can see there's still Composer 2.5. And just to do a hello world test, we can say, and it's going to go out, your model's responding to you, and you can see that the CLI is working. Now, you can run all the / commands to see what else is out there, but let's navigate to the Cursor web view. If you go to cursor.com/agents, you'll see you're presented with a new home screen. This is where you can fire off any agents connected to your cloud repositories, and they can run full tasks within containers. You can also set up any automations, still see your bug bots, and then go to your dashboards to see your bills, spendings, all that kind of stuff. So with that, this is exactly how you would install Cursor, spin up the CLI, and then access web agents when you need them. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like, consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. But also, if you want any other videos like this, let me know. I'm Isaac with Embedded Nature. Thanks for watching. Peace.